The 2013-2019 Lincoln MKT key fob uses a CR2032 battery. To begin, locate the small indentation or seam on the fob, usually near the keyring hole. Insert a small flathead screwdriver or plastic pry tool into this seam. Gently twist or pry to separate the two halves of the fob. Avoid forcing it to prevent damage. Once open, identify the battery, noting the orientation of the positive plus side. Use the pry tool or your fingers to carefully lift the old battery out of the compartment. Needle nose pliers can be helpful for stubborn batteries. Insert the new CR2032 battery into the compartment, ensuring the positive plus side is facing the correct way. Incorrect polarity can cause malfunction. Double-check the battery's orientation before proceeding. Once the new battery is correctly seated, align the two halves of the key fob and gently snap them back together. Ensure the case is fully closed with no gaps. Test the fob's functionality by pressing the lock and unlock buttons. Dispose of the old battery responsibly at an electronics recycling center. Many users opt for rechargeable or eco-friendly batteries.